Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get this hair together. So today I'm going to be doing a high puff. First, I'm going to use some leave-in conditioner from Mielle, my fave. You just want to make sure you get enough and just put it all over your hair. Sometimes, like, if I do my high puff right out the shower, it's a little easier because my hair is moist from all the mist. And it just makes it so much easier to get it into the puff. All right, so next I'm going to use their Coiling Custard. It has a lot of slip. So I'm basically about to do the same exact thing. Just put the Coiling Custard all over my hair. All right, so up next, you're gonna need a Denman brush or any type of hard bristle brush to brush the back of your head to get it as smooth as possible. All right, next, scrunchies. Which one? I'm gonna go with the bigger one, the more stretched out one. So because I don't really have like a defined style, or like this wasn't like a twist style or anything like that, I'm just gonna use the bigger one since my hair is already stretched out. So usually I start off by wrapping it around twice and then just bringing it down as much as possible. And then once I get it all over, I just start to slide it up slowly and then grab one of the pieces of the scrunchie and then just pull it to make it a little bit tighter. And then I just keep doing that. And I usually just pull my hair up like so as I'm tightening the scrunchie. All right, so once you get the scrunchie and your poof how you like, we're gonna use some edge control. I'm just using Edge Booster. And then you're gonna use a double-sided brush, kind of looks like a toothbrush. And then I just slab on the gel. Make sure you get your sideburns if you have sideburns like me. All right, so this is the quickest way to get your hair into a poof if you're not really trying to style it too much and you on the go. So now I'm going to show you another way. That was way number one. So this is how I typically do it because I like my hair to be a little bit more sleeked and slicked down. So I put the Coiling Custard or some type of eco style gel all over the back of my hair and on the front. And if you notice, this time I'm putting a lot more, and I'm bringing it a little bit higher up just to make sure either the gel or the coiling custard gets all over. And this will really give you the sleek look. And this one takes a little bit longer, but not really by much. And then same process, just brush your hair up. And I'm brushing my hair further up compared to the first time. All right, so the only difference with this process is I use the Eco Style gel first before I use the scrunchie. So I just put a whole bunch of gel and get it up as high as possible. So just not on my edges, I get it mostly all over the front. You want to just make sure you brush it in. And putting the gel on first or any type of edge control will really give you that sleek look. And it makes it a little bit easier too. All right, same process. I'm gonna tie my scrunchie or double my scrunchie. You can already tell how sleek it is right now. All right, so once I get the scrunchie on there a third time, I just fluff my fro. And then next, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of baby hairs, little swoops. And I usually use the comb part first and then the brush part. And then you're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, so once you're done with your swoops, get a scarf. This is the most important part. You wanna make sure you tie your edges down. This really makes your edges look laid. And for me, because I sweat in my scalp, it really helps me with my edges and just for my hair to like really be sitting.
A few moments later.
All right, after you let your edges sit for a little bit, you just want to fluff your fro out, your puff out, and I'm just using my good old fro pick. All right, it's time to take this scarf off. I believe my edges are dry. They should be laid. Let's see. And voila, they are good to go. You got yourself a high puff. We cute. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this video.